Okay, it's March 21st, 2014, and I brought the boat home last night because I want to get it ready for the summer, and look who's here. Say hi, I'm making a movie.
Me.
Yeah. So we took the cover off, and now we're playing in the boat. Gotta check things out, make sure it's gonna be good for the summer, right?
Right. Wait.
Yeah.
Wait! Under boat!
Yes. Did you crawl underneath there?
Yeah.
You did? Yeah.
I don't hardly believe this place is a boat. I don't hardly believe this place.
You don't believe it?
Mommy, boat. I don't believe this place. Mommy, oh, amazing. Mommy, boat.
Amazing. Mommy boat?
Mommy, boat.
Did we go to the park?
Yeah.
We were at the park, weren't we? Yeah, it's a nice day out today. Supposed to get cold this weekend though, again. We driving? Driving? That's your favorite part? Gotta watch out for the buoys.
Buoy!
You gotta watch out for the buoy, yep.
Yeah, it means you had to go slowly down the boat.
Gotta go slow near the buoy, right?
Buoy! Buoy, buoy! It means you had to stop a little bit.
Yeah.
Boo, boo, but we're not really sailing. We're not. Because there's no water near here.
No water?
Here.
There's no water for the boat?
Yeah.
Yeah, we might have to go to a different lake this year because I think our lake is almost empty.
Look. Buddy.
Yes?
Maybe someday when it rains.
Yeah, maybe someday.
Oh, I have to tell you.
Yeah, don't fall off the edge, okay?
Okay, I won't. But I see there's a tire near me.
Are you getting down, son? Or are you staying? Staying? All right.
Daddy, go. No. Under there.
I love it too. Okay, no buttons. No buttons. Push it back. Push that one back.
Okay.
No, not that one. The other one. Yep, push down. Okay, I'll get it. I'll get it. So fun?
Yeah.
Love it? Hey, come, let me see your boo-boo on your head. What happened?
Boo-boo.
What happened?
Died. Park. Park.
You hit your head at the park again. Yes, I know. I saw. I was there. You were crying. Yep. Yep. You're a different color because you were at the park. Dirty little guy. Don't lick. Do not lick.
Cookie. Lick boat.
Take your hands out of your mouth. Take your hands out of your mouth. Are you done?
Yeah.
Are you done? Okay.